Stable-diffusion WebUI is a free open-source tool that generates images right on your PC. No cloud fees, no limits, your ideas brought to life locally.
Here's what you need: a Windows PC with an NVIDIA GPU, 4 GB of VRAM, and 20 GB of free space, plus Python 3.10.
First, download Python. But careful, the home page shows the latest version, which is wrong for us. We need version 3.10.6. Open its release page and download the Windows installer.
Run the installer. This screen is critical. Check Add Python 3.10 to PAT so the terminal can find Python later. Then click Install Now and wait for the setup to finish.
Open a command prompt and verify. Type Python, version. You should see Python 3.10.6. Python is ready.
Next, Git. Go to gitskin.com and click Download for Windows. This gives us the ability to clone the WebUI repository.
Run the Git installer. Keep every default option. On the path screen, the recommended choice is already selected. Click Next and finish the installation.
Verify Git with Git version. Git is ready. Now we can download the WebUI.
Create a folder for the WebUI. In the address bar, type cmd and press Enter. Then clone the repository with git clone and wait for the download to finish.
Double-click webui-user.bat to start the WebUI. The first launch downloads everything, including Torch and Clip. This takes a few minutes, so be patient. Wait for running on local URL at port 7860. Your browser opens automatically.
Now add a model. Open the Stable-diffusion v1.5 page on Hugging Face. Go to Files and Versions and download the 4 GB Safe Tensors file. Put it inside Models, Stable-diffusion.
The WebUI is ready. Select your checkpoint at the top left. Type a prompt, for example, a cute cat. Add a negative prompt to avoid low quality. Click Generate and your image appears. It's saved to the Outputs folder.
That's it. Install Python and Git. Download the WebUI and run it. Add a model and generate. Everything runs locally, free, and unlimited. Happy creating.